Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel TechLearn with Ashish. So today's class is data conversion. We have already discussed about data types. So there are basically three main universal data types: date and integer and your string. So sometimes you need to convert the data from one data type to another data type. So you can convert date to string, string to date, and string to integer, an integer to string, like that you can do that. In some of the cases you can convert is, integer to the date. So let's see what all the things we have. Okay, so we can see that we have a table. Okay, so there are some things which you can convert here. So I explain you that, see, there are two functions we have, cast and convert. So cast, when you use cast, simple, it is very simple, that cast, okay, bracket open, then you can write here like, suppose you are writing like 1 and as int, simple, it is giving me suggestion as, okay, like this you can do, shift and home and then execute. See, this value is coming as a integer type because I have converted here. This in the normal cases by default it will convert that, because it is string and it is like can be converted into integer very easily, so there is no issue in that. But sometimes if you try to convert which is not an integer but you are going to convert, so see, it is saying that conversion failed when converting the varchar value to AS. So the value which is already, sometimes what happens when you insert the data, that time in some of the cases people insert string instead of integer. So that time if you need to convert it, that you can use cast, and you can use the convert into date also. Suppose, so we have a function called get date. Okay, just select and control E. See, this is the value which is coming, it is date type of value. So suppose you somewhere you need to display as a string, so what you can do, cast see guys, you can see the difference. When you are only selecting get date, I will select get date. Get date is a function which returns you a current date. So see guys, this is the current date, its type is date only, and this is the type of your string, or I will say varchar or nvarchar. So this is the conversion we have from the cast. What is the syntax of the cast? Cast, the function name, bracket open, then expression what we want to write, and then as and varchar. Okay, one more interesting function we have, convert, that is also same, no much difference on it. So it is like, it is very good kind of function, because you can define int, and the expression if you want to write, you can write like 1 2 3. So guys, I'll tell you why I am converting it. Suppose you have 1 2 3, right? Now you want to add this. See what you are getting, that 1 2 3 3 2 3 4, which is like it is concatenating those things. So if you convert this, now you want to make it in integer and close. Here also same thing, convert. So it is like convert 2 3 4 comma and integer you want to convert. Oh, I think I have written the wrong syntax. Okay, first you need to write. Now if you see, it is adding now. So because of that, one more thing you can do, that if you have suppose integer, so this thing, now you want to convert in decimal or any other type, when you have to display 2, so it is like till 18 length you are taking, and after the pointer you want to display only 2 records or 2 points. You can say, okay, let me show you first 1 2 3, we are not adding that. See, it is converting the format. Okay, so this is the region we use convert or cast. Okay, one more thing you have, suppose you are displaying like this. Okay, so this is the value comes default in the date, your date and time, your hours, minutes and second and millisecond, those things are showing. But suppose you don't want to display that, or you want to display something else, so you have a function convert. Okay, now you want to display that in nvar and then you can make a format. Okay, see, this is the value is coming. Okay, however you change your format 101, see, it is changing the format. Okay, this is why we use it. My favorite one is 105. See, it is saying that the DDMMYY, which is the date we are getting here. So that's why we use convert or cast. So conversion is the method where you are displaying the value to display something which is the relevant to you. Okay, suppose, and one more thing you have 106, this is also a very good. See, it is like saying 6 May 2020. Okay, the same thing you can put in our table also. I'll show you how. For that, okay, suppose you want to see the column of the table, Alt plus F1, or maybe if your keyboard doesn't support function directly, you can click on Alt function and F1. So that is why there you can see your columns, employee ID, employee name, and I don't take all the column, I'll take only head date. Okay, see, these all the value are displaying. Now you have to show this data to your manager. Okay, so you will not show this kind of data to your manager, you have to format the value. So suppose he wants in like this. Okay, so like this the values are showing. You can do like 106 also. So it is still, see, so this value is still from 100 to 131. We can check things. You can check, see, it is a start from 0 or 100 and this goes till 131. So that also we can check, guys. Usually I don't use 131. So see, these are the values displaying in our table. So like this you can use in your table. Okay. And if you have to display something else, if you have in your table, that also you can use. So conversion is a technique to convert your data type. So let's find up this. I'll say, so what is the cast and convert? These are the techniques for data conversion. What is data conversion? When you have to convert some data types to other data types, what you need, but the data is not stored in the particular data type. So that time you convert your data from one data type to another data type. So that's all for today, guys. You can share and subscribe, and if you have any doubt you can comment to the videos. Thank you, guys.